Alright, so far so good. You have been learning about the string in PHP in the last video, and in this video you will learn what is array in PHP. Okay, please consider about the array, because most of our work is with array when we are storing the data in the database, or we are receiving the data from the database, or we are working with the API later. Okay, all are about the array and about the types of array. Please consider about the array and about its method and about the types of array in PHP, because it is the most important topics which we are using in our each program we are writing in real time. Okay, then what is array in PHP? Array is a set of value which is stored in a variable. If we need to store multiple value in a single variable, then we are using array. For example, we have we want to store the name of names of user. Okay, we have multiple user and we are storing the name. Okay, we will say like we can do something like this. Okay, name 1 equal to something like Ali, name 2 equal to dollar, name 2 equal to John, or something like this. Okay, then if we have 100 user, then we will say num1, num2, num3. Then we will say like 100 user, we will store 100 name. Then it is not the solution. Another problem, if we want to see the name, we will see the name of Ali. Someone will ask you print Ali. Okay, then how you will print? This all solution are available in array. Then we have three types of array in PHP: indexed array, okay, associative array, and multidimensional array. Okay, indexed array is like array with a numeric index, and associative array with named keys. Okay, we have a named key in associative array, and multidimensional array means array inside the array which its element is array. And we will learn all of these three, and in this video you will learn only about the indexed array. In the next video you will learn about associative array and multidimensional array, because it is big topic, and we should consider and we should learn about the all its method and how you are looping and all those things. We will learn one by one. Okay, first things, what is the syntax of creating array? Okay, then the syntax is like dollar. For example, our dollar variable name, we will names equal to, the first syntax is using array. Okay, and here is like element. Okay, element 1, like element 2, and dot dot dot. Okay, for example, dollar name names equal to array, and what is the value? We will say Ali, we will say John, and we will say Kamal, or something like this. And the second syntax is you can create like this. And second syntax we will say like names equal to something like this. Okay, we will say Ali, we can say John, and we will say Kamal. Okay, this is the second syntax of creating an array. And like we will say names 1 or something like that, because we cannot declare two types. Okay, here we have names and names 1, and this is the true syntax which we are creating an array. And now let's talk about the indexed array. Okay, to be honest, this is about the as we said, array has three types: index, associative, and multidimensional. Let's talk about the index array. Index array is an array which the index is numeric. Okay, this syntax which we have been created, this simple array is called index array also. because here we don't have any keys, and the keys is only numeric. And let's prove it. Okay, another how to access array element. Okay, now we sort this value to variable. Then how we are achieving that one, how we are accessing. For someone want to will ask me to print Ali, then how I will print this Ali, and I will do something like this. Okay, echo variable names and square brackets, and will see 0. And another points very important, please remember that one. Index array all the time starts with 0. Okay, the first element will has index of 0, the second one, and the third one will be 2, the last one will be the length of this array -1. Okay, the first element all the time has an index of 0, the second one has 1. Okay, the index start in array from 0. See here we will have dollar names of 0, means we will printing the first element. Go in your browser and open your folder, and in folder we have index.php, and click see Ali. Here is Ali. Okay, and if we want to access we will 1 and we will 2. Come see Ali John Kamal. Okay, if you want to some, we will do something like echo see Ali. We want to print something like this. Then see Ali John Kamal. And if you want to print for example, we will say 3, element 3 is not available. See, then we will get an undefined we will get notice error. Will say like undefined offset of 3, because we don't have the fourth element in our array. And this is all about the indexed array and how you're defining your indexed array, and the two different syntax which you can create array, and how you're accessing your indexed array. Okay, and another things like maybe how you are looping through to index array. We will use for loop. Okay, for, and we will say like $I equal to 0. Okay, dollar less than count of dollar names I plus plus. Okay, see our initialization, our condition. Okay, and our iteration. Here count is a function which returns the count of the variable, count of element. Okay, if you do like this, echo count of dollar names. Okay, and one more important things, I will use one function here, dry. Dry means then you the program will dry here, it will not execute anymore. Okay, see 3, the count of names 1 2 3. Okay, then you learn about the dry and also about the count, how you are counting that one. Okay, here what we will do, let's comment here. We are looping through our array, and we will do something like this, echo h2. Okay, we want to print all our the name in using all the name in h2 tags. Okay, what we will do, we will say like dollar names of $I. Okay, and we will get an Ali, John, and Kamal. Okay, see, we will get Ali, John, and Kamal. This is how you are looping through your array, and how you are handling your statements. Only this is important, because this one is all it will not be the same, but this syntax will be the same. Okay, now you have been learned about the syntax of array, how to declare your array and how to access it individually, and how you can loop through your indexed array, and how you can handle and use in your program. This was all about the indexed array, and in the next video we will learn about the associative array. Please remember, this video will be little longer because array is very important, and all our work will be in array. Whatever we are doing with our program using PHP and MySQL, or we are writing API, all our work will be in array, and you should have a deep knowledge of array in PHP. Then this was all about the index array, and see you on the next video, and we will learn about the associative array and multi-dimensional array.